Today, I'm going to show you how to add a customer support ticketing system to your WordPress site using Fluent Support, one of the most reliable, modern Helpdesk plugins available. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a fully functional ticketing system right on your own website, giving your customers a simple way to reach out for help while giving you complete control over your support process. Whether you're running an online shop, offering services, or just want to keep your visitors happy, this setup will save you time and keep your support conversations organized. Let's dive in and get started. First, head over to your WordPress dashboard. This is the administrative area where you manage everything on your site. If you haven't done this before, just log in using your admin credentials and you'll land on the dashboard home. We want to add the Fluent Support plugin, so look over to the left-hand menu and find the Plugins section. Click Add New. This is your gateway to extending what your website can do. Now in the plugin search bar at the top right, type in Fluent Support. This is important. Plugins with similar names can pop up, so double-check you're getting Fluent Support from WP Manage Ninja, the official developer. Fluent Support is a fantastic choice for adding ticketing functionality because it keeps everything hosted directly on your own site. That means all support tickets, communication data, and customer info stay private. You're not handing data off to a third party. This can be a big deal if you care about privacy or compliance. Once you see Fluent Support in the search results, hit the Install Now button. WordPress will download the plugin and get it ready for use. Just give it a few moments to do its thing. After it finishes installing, the button will change to Activate. Go ahead and click that, because until you activate it, the plugin isn't doing anything yet. Now, Fluent Support is officially live on your website and ready for setup. What makes Fluent Support stand out in 2026 is how fast and modern it is. It's got smart email piping, so if a customer sends an email to your support address, a ticket is automatically created inside WordPress. You don't have to manually copy anything over. If you're running an online store with WooCommerce, Fluent Support seamlessly connects, letting you see orders linked to tickets and helping you assist shoppers more efficiently. Plus, it even has AI-powered workflows that can automate responses or sort tickets. This means your support team can focus on the trickier cases, while everyday requests get handled almost instantly. After activating Fluent Support, you'll notice a new menu item for it in your WordPress dashboard. Click this to begin setting up your help desk. The plugin will guide you through initial settings like creating support inboxes, setting up ticket forms, and customizing automatic replies. Don't rush this step. Take your time to read each option and tweak it for your own situation. For example, you might want to personalize the welcome message your customers see when submitting tickets, or connect a dedicated support email account. If at any point you're unsure what a setting does, just hover over the little question marks or info icons. Fluent Support's interface is really helpful in explaining things as you go. And remember, it's okay to come back later and change settings as your support needs evolve. Within minutes, your ticketing system is ready. Now, when customers need help, they'll have a professional way to reach out that flows right into your dashboard. You'll be able to track replies, view ticket histories, and keep everything right on your site for data protection and speed. That's all there is to it. Now your WordPress website is leveled up with a powerful, private, modern customer support system. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and hit that like button. If you have any questions or run into any issues during setup, drop a comment down below and I'll be happy to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more WordPress tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.